Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue, and I will show you actually which fuse to check in case your key fob or push button start are not working. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. The fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel. So you want to pull this cover towards yourself gently to access the fuses. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this piece in the bottom left corner, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuse. And the fuse you want to check will be this small 5 amp fuse located right here. This is something you can check, it's worth checking, and if this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. Of course, first check if the battery is good in a key fob, and then the next step would be actually to scan the PCM for any outstanding codes. It could be a problem with the antenna or something like that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.